Yeah, hello everyone. Very good morning. Good morning, Pranav. Yesterday we were able to complete your normal income tax rates under your Income Tax Act and under your Finance Act. Okay. So tell me one
Yes,
thing.
yes.
Tell me one
Mm-hmm.
thing that all tax regime comes from. Where all tax regime rates are coming from?
Uh, uh, special 19 Income Tax Act 1961.
Nine. So if you say Income Tax Act 1961, you have to tell me the section number as well. Is there section number for all tax regime?
No, sir. No, no, no,
That
no.
means it is coming from
Finance Act. Okay, sorry, sir. Yes, Finance
Finance
Act.
Act. And every year it
Okay,
may
yes,
change, right? And
yes, sir.
the
Yes,
new
sir.
tax regime is coming from
Income Tax Act.
Income Tax Act. And what is the
Okay,
section
yes.
number for this?
Yeah. 115 BAC.
115 BAC. You will remember this because we are going to do n number of questions which will have the word 115 BAC. Okay, so this is a section number
Sir.
which you need not to even remember, you will automatically have in your mind. Okay, so this is
Sir.
it. We have studied two tax regime. How many tax regime under old tax regime?
Two.
Are you sure? How many regimes are there under old tax regime? How many slabs are there?
Three slabs. Three
Three
slabs.
slabs. First is up to
Yes.
2.5 lakh
60 years.
and
Oh, sorry. Up to 2.5.
correct, anyway you can say up to 2.5 lakh wala. Then
Nil. More 3 lakhs and yeah, 5 lakhs. Yes.
so we have three slabs under old tax regime. The first slab is
Yes, sir.
applicable for everyone. Who are the person?
Yes.
Which persons will have the first slab?
Individual, HUF, AJP, AOP, BOI.
Correct. And second slab, who will be who will have the second slab, benefit of second slab?
Above above 60 years, below 80 years.
Above 60 years, below 80 years. But exactly 60 years को मिलेगा? Will exactly 60-year person will get the benefit of 3 lakh?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So we will write equal to or more than 60 years.
Yes. Yes,
Correct?
sir. Yes.
Equal to or more than. And he shall be a resident or non-resident or both?
He shall be a resident.
Resident only. Why resident only? What is
Yes.
the logic behind it?
Because non-resident, because resident he has served for the country, so as a benefit we are giving him. Non-resident, yeah.
Correct. This is only a logic. You do not write in exam,
Yes, sir.
right? This is only to
Yes, yes,
remember.
yes, sir.
Correct. So under 115 BAC, how did you remember the slab? Can you tell me the
Up to
limit? हाँ.
yes, sir. Up to 3 lakhs nil.
ठीक है.
4 lakhs 5%.
Okay.
Next 4 lakhs 5%. Next 3 lakhs 10%.
Okay.
Next 2 lakhs 15%. Next 3 lakhs 20%. Above that 30%.
Perfect. Perfect. Right. This is perfect. And exactly 15 lakh. What will be the tax?
Exactly 15 lakhs it will be.
Don't calculate. You have to learn this.
Yes, sir. 1,40,000.
1,40,000. And यहाँ पे exactly 10 lakh पर under old tax regime slab number 1.
1,12,500.
For 3 lakh वाला slab
1,10,000.
and for 5 lakh slab
1 lakh.
1 lakh. Network is little bit. Is there any issue in the network? Maybe from my end or maybe from your end, because my Wi-Fi is working fine. So check it once. Okay.
1 minute, sir.
Sure.
No. I think from my end, sir. Yeah, there's so many tabs open. 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, log in. I think
Okay. Perfectly fine now. ठीक है. Okay.
yes. Yes, sir.
Understood.
Yes, yes.
Perfect. So, as I told you that the new tax regime is beneficial, right? We agreed that the new tax regime is
Sir.
beneficial in terms of the tax rate. Now the doubt was कि if the tax rate under new tax regime are lower, why will I go for the old tax regime? Because if the tax rate under old tax regimes are
Sir.
lower, nobody will choose old tax regime. Then we
Yes, sir.
concluded कि there are certain deductions or exemptions which are not allowed under new tax regime. There are certain deductions or exemptions which are not allowed under new tax regime. We are going to study the list of these
Yes.
deductions. Just to
Sir.
tell you that you will not be able to remember the list right now. I have given the list so that in the exam you need not to go anywhere. You have all the list at one place. Okay, you will not even understand
Sir.
the word of it. Just read it with me and nothing else. Okay, so there are certain
Sir.
deductions
Sir.
which are not allowable under new tax
Yes,
regime.
sir.
Okay,
Tax regime.
the
Yes.
first
Yes,
is
sir.
leave travel concession. We will study it in salary chapter. Okay, whenever the book will come, you
Yes, sir.
will write it salary chapter. The
Yes, sir.
HRA we will study in salary chapter. So what exactly we are
Okay.
studying right now? What exactly? 1 second, give me 1 second. Haji. So this is HRA. What we are actually studying? We are studying the exemptions or deductions which are not allowable under.
New tax regime.
So third one is special allowance. This is also under salary. The fourth one
Sir.
is daily allowance. This is also under salary chapter. The next
Salary.
one is exemption on minors income included in parents total income. This is under clubbing chapter. I
Okay.
know that you do not know
Clubbing what?
anything. That's okay. There is one chapter named as clubbing. Okay. So we will
Sir.
study under that chapter. Okay. Right now, do
Sir.
not put brain into it. Just read it with me. The tax holiday for units established in SEZ 10 AA under deduction chapter. Under deduction
Sir.
chapter. Entertainment allowance under your salary chapter. Professional tax
Sir.
under your salary chapter. Interest on self occupied house property under house property chapter. Okay.
Sir.
Additional depreciation under PGBP. Profit and gains from
Sir.
business or profession.
Yes, sir.
Donation made for scientific research under PGBP. We will study under PGBP.
Yes, sir.
Specified business we will study under PGBP. And deductions, only 3 deductions were allowed, and other than 3 deduction nothing was allowed. We will study under
Deductions.
deduction chapter. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ठीक है. This is pending. You will not be able to understand right now. This is also pending. So these are the points which are included in chapter number 2, because when you will revise now, you need to have the knowledge at the right place. But we will
Sure.
study these under the respective chapters. Okay?
Sir.
This is also pending. This is also pending. Yeah, this is we can study. And this is very important. And you are going to love it. So,
Sir.
the the question is, can we opt for old tax regime or new tax regime? Is it our choice or there is some compulsion? Is it our choice or there is some compulsion? So the point is कि we can choose old tax regime or new tax regime as per our choice. Okay, there is
Sir.
no compulsion. We can choose any regime as per our choice, right? But there is a time limit.
Sir.
See, we always call that the new tax regime is default. What we say?
Yes. New tax regime default.
Default. And the old tax regime is optional. Old tax regime is
Yes.
optional.
Optional.
Now you need to understand ki what do you mean by default and what do you mean by optional. See, there are 2 points. Firstly, you need to understand ki we can choose any regime. There is no
Sir.
compulsion ki you have to go for new. You have to go for old. There is no
Sir.
compulsion.
Compulsion.
So if there is
Sir.
no compulsion, what is the meaning of default and what is the meaning of optional? See, whenever you go into a hotel, okay, hotel will always give you the room with breakfast. I am talking about the good hotels. Okay, if you will go
Yes.
to the good hotels for 4-star, 5-star,
Yes, sir. Yes.
what they will
Yes, sir.
say
Yes.
ki by default our room rent is with food, room
Yes.
plus breakfast.
Yes, sir.
This is default. This is,
Default.
but if you want, you can remove the breakfast or you can add the lunch.
Sir.
This is optional.
Yes, sir.
यानी कि when we book room hotels, the default is room plus breakfast, but the optional is room, maybe you can remove the breakfast or you can add the lunch.
Yes.
Have you ever wondered कि why they give complimentary breakfast? Although they charge money for it, matlab they include in the room rent,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
why they
Good.
focus?
Good.
Why
Yeah.
they focus on breakfast? कि take breakfast as well.
Maybe for the what do you call impression, or maybe for
They want early checkout, timely checkouts.
okay.
They know,
How, sir? How will that?
they know if we do not offer breakfast with the room na, the person will wake up at 11 o'clock in the noon, in the morning.
Sir.
And that person we will call ki bhaiya you need to vacate your room. That person will say just give me 5 minutes, 10 minutes. But if we give complimentary breakfast na, that person will wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning to eat breakfast.
Sir.
And
Yes,
by
yes,
that
yes.
way he will leave the hotel by 10 or 11 because
Yes,
they
yes,
have
yes.
next guest at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
This is the trick of hotels, to give breakfast complimentary. So that because we are
Okay.
Indians, right, we want free food. We
Yes,
can't
sir.
we can't leave free food, right? So that is
Yes,
why
sir.
they offer complimentary breakfast, है ना? Now coming back to the topic, default tax regime is our new tax regime. That means if you are not going to choose anything now, so it will be by default under.
New tax regime.
But if you are going for the old tax regime, then you have to
Opt for old tax regime.
understood. Sir,
Yes, sir.
can we opt for old tax regime in 1 year and new tax regime in another year? Old tax regime in another year, new tax regime in another year? Yes.
Okay.
Yes, we can choose. For example, during the previous year 22-23, I was in new tax regime. During the previous year 23-24, I am in old tax regime. Can I do that? Yes. Again, during the previous year 24-25, I want new tax regime. Can I do that? Yes.
Yes.
But this is only applicable if your income does not include PGBP. If your income does not
Sir.
include,
PGBP.
यानी कि if you have income from 4 head: salary, house property, capital gain.
Capital gain, other sources.
If you have these 4 head का income ना, you can change any time.
Okay.
Now tell me one thing. In order to opt for all tax regime, what is the time limit to apply? Government said if you want to opt out from new tax regime and opt in all tax regime, then the
Yes, sir.
time limit is up to the due date of return filing.
Okay, okay.
Due date of return filing, I know that you do not know the due date of return filing. For any previous year, the due date of return filing is 31st of July of the next year.
Yes,
So
sir.
for the previous year 24-25, the due date will be 31st of July
25. Yes.
25,
25.
because this year will end at
31st March. Yes, sir.
and the next year will be 26-27 only, 25-26 only.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
So the due date is 31st July 25. Okay?
Sir.
So the government said कि if you want to opt for all tax regime now, you can opt up to 31st of July. After 31st of July, you cannot have the option. You have to opt for new tax.
New tax regime.
This is only applicable if the total income does not include PGBP.
PGBP.
But
You can't
what?
switch in PGBP.
But what if you have PGBP? If you have PGBP income, you can't switch.
Sir.
You can switch once in lifetime. Let me tell you how.
Okay.
If you during the previous year 22-23, you opt for new tax regime. Okay. During the previous year 23-24, you opt for all tax regime. Means
Sir.
opt out. आपने क्या किया बेटा? चलो इसको नहीं लिखता हूं मैं. आपने opt in किया. You opted for all tax regime. Okay.
Yes.
Now the government is saying that you can continue in all tax regime for n number of time. I will not say anything.
Sir.
What the government is saying कि you can opt for all tax regime for your lifetime. मैं मना नहीं करूँगा. I do not restrict you. But if in case you ever opted for new tax regime again,
Sir.
then for the lifetime you cannot opt for all tax regime.
All tax regime. Yes.
You have to continue in new tax regime.
Reason, sir?
Reason is because under PGBP, if you opt for all tax regime in 1 year, then there are some deductions which are not allowed, which are allowed. If you opt for new tax regime, then the deductions are not allowed. Then again, if you opt for all tax regime, then the deductions are allowed. Then comparison become difficult.
Okay, okay.
For example, there is Sharma ji ka beta. Okay, Sharma ji ka beta got 99%, and there is Verma ji ka beta.
Sir.
Verma ji ka beta got 59%. Suppose Sharma ji ka beta does not exist, and Verma ji ka beta got 59. Verma ji will do party.
Sir.
कि my child got 59. Wow. And then Sharma ji ka beta
Yes.
came. Sharma ji ka beta said कि I got 99. Then what the Verma ji will do?
Yes.
Verma ji
He
will
won't.
he will he will scold अपना बेटा, because
Yes, sir.
now what he is
Yes,
doing,
sir.
he is doing comparison. So PGBP is also about comparison.
Sir.
For example, you have 1 crore expenditure on advertisement. Can you say whether it is less or
Sir.
more? Can you say 1 crore is less or more? No, we can't say.
We can't determine.
लेकिन suppose I told you कि previous year 23-24 it is 1 crore and previous year 24-25 it is 10 crore. Can you compare now?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, now you can compare. So therefore the comparison is very important for PGBP. But if
Yeah.
you will opt for all tax regime, then new, then old, then new, then old, then new, then comparison will become difficult.
Sir, then under salary also there are so many deductions. No,
नहीं
sir? It
नहीं
will
देखो,
be hard
salary
to
is
salary also.
salary is actual. Understand? Salary में you
Yeah,
can't
yeah.
चोरी, you can't evade the tax,
Yeah, yes, yes.
because
sir, yes.
salary is given by employer. So employer will
Yes.
tell you the actual income only, but under PGBP you can
Yes,
evade
yes.
the tax.
Yes, sir, yes.
That is why for the PGBP person, the switching is allowed only once.
Yes.
I usually take one example which I am going to take right now. So listen to it very carefully. There is a class of students and there is one teacher. Okay? So there are many students and there is one teacher. One student was making sounds. One student was disturbing the class. Okay? This class is called as new text regime. Okay? The teacher scolded the student and the teacher said ki if you do not want to sit in my class, you can go out of class. So this student went out of the class. Out of the class means
Old tax regime. Again, he can't come back in.
no, he can come back. See, complete. Let me first complete the example. This is a new tax regime. The classroom is new tax regime. The student is making sound. So teacher asks ki either you leave the class or you keep silent. The student went out of the class. Now this is old tax regime. Can that student come in the class again? Once he can come.
Yes. Okay.
Because once every teacher has the responsibility to to excuse the students. So once the student can come in the class. If the student came back into the class, then what it is again?
New tax regime.
Now can the student again go outside the class?
No.
Because the student has exercised his right to come back in the class. Coming back in the class का मतलब कि sir sorry I will not do it again, please take me inside.
Yes.
So sir, remember this way कि again tell me, if the classroom is new tax regime and one student wants to go outside the class, can he go?
Yes.
Can he go? Yes. And if he is outside the class, can he stay outside the class? Yes.
Yes.
Can he stay out the class for the next period also? Yes. For next year also? Yes. But if the student said sorry and came back to the class, if the student came back to the class, can he ever go out of the class again? No. ये example याद रहेगा? You will remember this example for life?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Read it for me along with the understanding.
Time limit for exercising the option to shift out new tax regime.
Shift out of.
Not having PGBP.
Shift out of new tax regime. Shift out of
new tax. Yeah. Shift out of new tax regime. SSC not having PGBP income.
Without reading, tell me one thing, that if the SSC has no PGBP income, is there any restriction to come back and go back?
No.
There is only one point. What? If you want to go back, if you want to go outside, then up to due date.
You can't. Yes, sir.
There is no restriction कि you cannot come back, but you have to go outside up to due date. Read it now.
Time limit for exercising the option to shift out of new tax regime. SSC not having PGBP income. Option to opt out on or before due date for filing return. Can opt for old tax regime in 1 year and new tax regime in another. SSC having PGBP income. Option to opt out on or before due date of filing return. Option to opt in new tax regime in any subsequent year. Once opted for new tax regime, can't opt for old tax regime ever again.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Read the examples as well.
Example, previous year 24-25 new, previous year 25-26 old, previous year 26-27 new, previous year 27-28 old. Example, previous year 24-25 opt out to old, previous year 25-26 old, previous year 26-27 opt in new, previous year 27-28 new, previous year 28-29 new. Cannot opt old again. Yes, sir.
Because in the year 24-25 he went out of the class. This is out of the class, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Right? And after that he stayed outside the class for next 1 year. He was outside the class for next 1 year. Can he remain outside the class? Yes. he can remain out the class.
Yes.
In the next year he came back into the class. Now since he has come into the class again, can he go out of the class again? No, never.
No.
ठीक है. Now, yeah, now this will be pending. Okay, this will be pending.
Sir.
ठीक है. Now the next topic
Yes,
is, give me 1 second, I need to make one call.
Yes, sir. No problem. Jordan.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
perfect. So now the next topic is surcharge. Okay.
Sir.
Uh, just to give you one brief example, I give you this example in order to make you understand for life. Okay. So
Sure.
just to give you example, if any person is earning, maybe 20 lakh rupees, okay,
Sir.
and if another person is earning 1 crore 20 lakh rupees, can you
Sure.
tell me the tax under new tax regime? Can you calculate
Yes.
the tax under new tax regime after HSE?
Yes, sir. Three lakhs 1,600
3 lakh 1,600, and for the second person
after HSC.
after HSE, understood. And for the second person,
Yes. 34 lakhs 21,600.
34 lakh.
21,600.
Can you calculate the percentage of tax? Ki how many what is the percentage rate on total income?
Yes.
3 lakh 1,600 divided by 20 lakh.
Yes, sir.
Is it around 15%?
Yes, sir. 15.08.
And what is the in the next question? Okay, let me change this amount. Let me make this amount as 50 lakh. Okay, let's do it once again. On 50 lakh, how much tax would be there? On 50 lakh, how much tax would be there?
12 lakhs 37,600. 12 lakhs 37,600.
12 lakh
37,600.
37,600. And what is the percentage now? 12 37,600 divided by 50 lakh. Around 25%, correct. And what is
Yes,
the
sir.
percentage in the second case? Around 28% now, if I'm not wrong. Around 28-29%, right?
Yes, sir.
You just need to divide 34 lakh by
I know,
120
I know.
lakh, right?
28.5.
Okay, so we can
Yeah,
make it
wait.
28 or 29, whatever.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, what I want you to understand is कि if any person is earning income 50 lakh, he is paying 25% of the income as tax, mota moti. And if any person is earning 120 lakh, he is paying 29% of the tax. Now, let's take one more example. Mr. Z. Mr. Z is earning 600 lakh, yani ki 6 crore. Now, what is the tax liability for 6 crore? 6 crore minus 15 lakh into 30% plus 1 lakh 40,000 plus 4%. Is it 1 crore 83 lakh 97,600?
Yes, sir. 1 crore 83 lakh 97,600.
Around 30%.
Yes, sir. 30.66. Yes. 31%.
31%, 30%. I am rounding it off.
Yes.
Now can you see that even if the person is income, even if the person is income 18 times more income, 12 times more income,
Sir.
then also the
Yes, sir.
percentage difference is very little.
Sir.
Very little. If any person is earning income 50 lakh rupees, he is paying 25% of their income as tax. And if any person is earning income 600 lakh rupees, then that person is paying 30% only. The difference is very less. The government wanted to tax the higher income group more.
Sir.
Government said कि चलो the normal tax rate will remain same, but if the person is earning higher income na, then we want to increase the tax.
Sir.
Now the government did not increase the slab. The slab is that only, but the government introduced one concept of
Surcharge.
surcharge. And if you will see the dictionary meaning of surcharge, it is
Tax on tax. Okay.
tax on tax. यानी कि the amount of tax we will charge tax on that amount of tax. हाँ, sure.
Okay. 100 rupees. Or 50. Okay. Okay. Sorry, sir.
No issues. Okay?
Yes, sir. Tax
So,
on tax.
tax
So we are
on
paying
tax.
on tax.
You are paying tax on tax.
Sir.
You are paying tax on tax.
Yeah.
Is that okay? So this
Yes,
is
sir.
your surcharge. Okay, so whatever the tax amount that you have calculated, you are going to charge tax on that tax amount. Okay, now
Reason, sir, why are you doing this?
just to charge more tax on the wealthy people. The person who is
Okay.
earning more na, the government wanted to charge higher rate. That is it.
Sir.
So if any person is earning income up to 50 lakh rupees, there will be no surcharge. There will be
Okay, sir. No surcharge.
no surcharge. Like you need not to pay a single rupee other than the normal tax, whatever we have calculated.
Yeah.
But if your income is more than 50 lakh and up to rupees 1 crore, then you have to pay 10% additional surcharge.
Sir.
Sir, 10% of income or tax?
10% of tax. 10%
Tax.
of tax.
Sir, the 10% of tax, do not confuse this with income. This is not the 10% of income. For example, let me give you one example with proper presentation. Suppose your income is, total income is 75 lakh. Okay? Suppose the total income is 75 lakh, then what we will do is tax on normal income. Firstly, we will calculate tax on normal income. Now, what is the tax rate on normal income? New tax regime. Sir, 75 lakh multiply by slab rate. What it will? Before HSE. Before HSE. Do not add HSE.
90 lakhs 40,000.
19 lakh 40,000.
Yes,
how
sir, 19
how
lakhs
you
40,000.
calculated? 75 lakh, take 75 lakh on calculator minus 15 lakh into 30% plus 140. So it will be 1940. Now add surcharge. Add
Surcharge.
surcharge will be 10% off. What amount?
Sir. 10% of tax. 10% of tax.
What is tax?
19 lakhs 40,000.
Exactly. So 10% of tax will come to 1,94,000. Total is
Yes, sir.
21,34,000. And then you will add
Yes, sir. HEC.
HEC. HEC is 4%.
22 lakhs 90,360.
22 lakh
Yes.
50
19,360.
19 19,360.
19, 19. Yes.
Perfect. This is how
Yes, sir.
surcharge will be applicable. Okay.
Uh, yes,
Just
sir.
just learn with me up to 50 lakh rupee income,
No, zero, sir.
or if the income is below 1 crore equal to 1 crore but above 50 lakh,
Yes, sir. It's 10%.
10%. If the income is above 1 crore but up to 2 crore,
15%.
15%. If the income is above 2 crore but up to 5 crore,
25%.
25%. If the income is above 5 crore,
37% under old scheme, 25% new scheme.
that means under new tax regime, every surcharge is same above 2 crore. Under new tax regime,
Sir.
the surcharge rate is 25% above 2 crore.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Now, then after that, we will add 4% as HSE.
Hey,
Now, your work.
yes.
One or two you will completely write it down, and rest you will calculate on calculator. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Case number 1, 49,73,000. Case number 2, 50 lakh. Case number 3, 50 lakh 50,000. Case number 4, 1 crore. Case number 5, 1 crore 7 lakh. Case number 6, 1 crore 97 lakh. Case number 7, exactly 2 crore. Case number 8, 2 crore 10 lakh. Case number 9, 3 crore 45 lakh 50,000. Under new tax regime only. Calculate under new tax regime only.
Sir.
Take your time. Calculate each and every answer, write it in your notebook, and once you are done with all the questions, you can tell me the complete answers in one go.
Yeah. It was 10 lakhs 20,000 now?
Need 2 crore 10 lakh only.
Okay.
2 crore 10 lakh.
Yes, sir.
हो गया?
Last one, sir. Last.
Okay. Okay, perfectly fine. Can you tell me the answers?
First one would be 12 lakhs 29,180.
12 lakh
Second,
29,000.
180. I rounded off the answers.
Correct, correct. You have to. After adding HSE, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes. 12 lakh 29,180.
Yes, sir.
Okay, the second is
Second one is 12 lakhs 37,600.
okay, the third one is
13 lakhs 78,520.
okay, next
30 lakhs 77,300.
30 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
30 lakh.
77,360.
Yeah. 360. Okay.
34, next one 34 lakhs 68,400.
Okay.
Next one 66 lakhs 97,600.
Okay.
Next one 68 lakhs 5,240.
Okay.
Next one 77 lakhs 87,000. That's all. 77 lakhs 87,000.
Okay.
Next one 1 crore 30 lakhs 71,500.
1 crore
30 lakhs.
30.
Yes, sir.
1 crore 30 lakh
71,500.
75,500.
No,
Okay.
71,000.
71,500. Okay.
Yes, sir. Next one's 1 crore 92 lakhs 92,000.
92,000.
Yes, sir.
Okay. You can please check it out again ki if I have written correctly or not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
Perfect. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now you have calculated all the answers. Let me just check one or two answers. For 50 lakh rupees, 50 lakh minus 15 lakh into 30% plus 1 lakh 40,000 plus 4%. Correct. And for 1 crore minus 15 lakh into 30% plus 140 plus your 10% surcharge plus 4%. Perfect. ठीक है. Now these are the answer. You understood each and every answer, and you must have written one or two solutions as well, right? Correct. Now
Yes,
I
sir.
need you to focus. I need you to analyze. If the income is 50 lakh the tax is 12 lakh 37,600. If the income is 12 lakh 50,000, the tax is 13 lakh 78,520 rupees. Can you find the difference? Can you find out ki what is wrong between the answers? Is it justified for the person who is earning 50 lakh 50,000? Just think.
Uh,
Just think,
yes.
if you are earning 50 lakh, how much amount you have to pay to the government?
1,40,000 plus the remaining amount 30%
Nahi,
plus health
again,
cess.
again, I am asking you question. If you are earning 50 lakh rupees, how much
Yes,
amount
sir.
you have to pay to the government as tax?
12 lakhs 37,600.
If you are earning 50 lakh 50,000 rupees,
Sir,
how much amount you have to pay to the government?
13 lakhs 78,520.
Don't you feel like it is unjustified? Sir, why it is not justified? There are calculations. I have calculated the amount. That is it. Think. If I am earning only 50,000 rupees extra,
Sir,
how much extra amount you are paying as tax? Calculate the difference between these two.
yes, sir.
How much extra amount that you have to pay only because you have earned 50,000 rupees?
1,40,920.
1,40,920.
920.
So this is the extra amount that you have to pay because of.
Earning extra 50,000.
Is it justified? They
I
think
need
that
to
way.
search.
Think that way कि you and your friend are doing the job.
Sir,
Your friend is earning 50 lakh rupees. You are
Sir.
earning 50 lakh 50,000 rupees.
Sir.
Who is more richer? Your friend. Because
Yes, sir.
you are earning 50 lakh 50,000 rupees and paying tax to the government 1 lakh 40,000 rupees extra.
Yes, sir.
So how much amount you are paying extra than your friend?
90,920. Yes, sir.
Your friend will laugh at you. Ki see, I am earning
Sir.
50 lakh rupees, but I am paying tax lesser than you.
Yes, sir.
So that is why the concept of marginal relief will come. What will be the concept?
Okay. Marginal relief.
Why it is named marginal relief? Because you have increased the income by margin.
Yes, sir.
This is only marginal income, na? Marginal means slightly higher. Marginal means slightly
Yes, sir.
higher.
Yes, sir. Slightly. Yes,
है
sir.
ना? For example, you are bowling to a cricketer, to a batsman, and you miss the stump. So what you say? कि यार marginally I missed it, right? So
Yes,
that
sir.
is
Yes.
why it is called marginal relief. Understood?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Now let me show you how to calculate marginal relief. Okay, I am taking the example of this 1 crore and 1 crore 7 lakh. Okay, 1
Sir.
crore and 1 crore
Sir.
7 lakh. If the total income is 1 crore 7 lakh, 1 crore 7 lakh,
7 lakhs.
new tax
Yes, sir.
regime. ठीक है?
Sir.
Then step number 1 would be tax on 1 crore 7 lakh. Just try to remember this. Just try to see ki what steps I am doing and what is the logic behind it.
Yes.
Tax on 1 crore
Yes.
7 lakh at slab rate. Firstly, we are going to calculate tax on 1 crore 7 lakh at slab rate. So what will be the tax on 1 crore 7 lakh? 1 crore 7 lakh without HSE. Without HSE. So 1 crore 7 lakh
Okay.
minus 15 lakh into 30% plus 1 lakh 40,000. It will be 29 lakh.
29 lakhs. Yes, sir.
We will add surcharge. Now, what is the rate of
42 lakhs
surcharge?
capital.
What is the rate of surcharge?
15%.
15% for 1 crore above and 2 crore below. So
Yes, sir.
15% would be your 4 lakh 35,000. What will be
Yes,
the
sir.
total?
33 lakhs 35,000.
33 lakhs 35,000. This is your step number 1. So can we
Sir.
say कि this is the actual tax as per the provisions without HSE?
Yes.
Before HSE, this is
Yes.
the
Yes.
tax, correct? Now
Yes, sir.
this person is angry. This person is angry with the government. Why angry? Because he is only earning 7 lakh rupees extra, but his
Sir.
tax liability has increased more than 7 lakh. Let me show you how. Okay? Although this I think I am doing wrong, because 7 lakh से ज़्यादा तो income tax नहीं बना होगा. Let me check if marginal relief will come or not. Now step number
Sir.
2. Step number 2 is tax plus surcharge on 1 crore. Either you calculate tax plus surcharge in one step, or you can also do alternatively like this: tax on 1 crore at slab rate. What will be the tax on 1 crore at slab rate? What would be the tax on 1 crore at slab rate? Sir,
85 lakh.
1 crore
I can
minus.
say
हाँ, tell me.
25 lakhs 50,000 for 85 lakhs plus 1 lakh 40,000 would be 26 lakhs 90,000.
Add surcharge at the rate of
10%.
10% to
2
69.
lakhs 69
So what will be the total?
would be 29 lakhs 59,000.
Okay, 29 lakh 59,000. Okay, so MR will not apply. Why MR will not apply? Let me tell you. Step number 3. Step number 3, excess tax. Excess tax. Yani step number 1 minus step number 2. What would be the amount of step number 1 minus step number 2? Excess tax. How much excess tax you are paying?
3 lakhs 76,000.
And what is the excess income that you are earning?
7 lakhs.
7 lakhs. So is your income more than tax?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So there will be
No marginal.
no MR because you are earning more income, right?
Yes.
But let me change it. Change it to 1 lakh and 70,000. 1 lakh and 70,000. Now calculate tax on 1 crore 70,000. Sorry, 1 crore 70,000. Calculate tax on 1 crore 70,000.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Tell me the tax. 1 crore 70,000. What is the tax?
25 1 lakh, sir.
Okay, take your time.
Yes, sir. 27 lakhs 11,000.
And then 15% surcharge.
Yes, I'm doing it.
Okay.
For including surcharge, it would be surcharge is 4 lakhs 6,650.
Correct.
It would be 29 lakhs 77,650.
Okay. Why it is coming 31? Okay, let me do it. 1 crore 70,000 in minus 15 lakh into 30% plus 1 lakh 40,000. This is okay. Into 15%. This is okay. So we will add it now. So it will come 31 around, na? 31 lakh 17,650. Okay.
No, sir. 29.
How 29? How it can be 29? This is 27. This is 4. 31 is it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sorry. Yes, sir.
है ना? So 31, 17, 650.
Yes.
31, 17, 650. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
So this is
Yes,
your tax liability. Now, what is tax liability on 1 crore? This is 2959.
Yes, sir.
What is the difference that you are paying? Excess tax that you are paying?
1,58,650.
1,58,650, correct? What is the
Yes, sir.
excess income that you have earned? What is the excess income that you have earned?
70,000.
Only 70,000. So do you think that this is wrong? Government is doing wrong to you? Yes.
Yes.
And how much amount the government is doing wrong to you? The government is at wrong for how much amount? For 88,650. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this 88,650 will be your.
Marginal bill.
Now tell me, what is the actual tax if I ignore the marginal relief?
31
Correct.
lakh 70,000.
यानी कि now to calculate tax before HEC, then you have to deduct step 4, yeah, I can say step 5. You have to deduct step 5 from step 1. Now what would be your tax amount?
30 lakhs 29,000.
30 lakh 29,000, and then your,
For this HAC.
and then finally you will add
31 lakhs 50,160.
Have you understood the concept of MR?
Yes, sir. But one doubt.
Ha.
How do we get? We'll get the comparison, sir. From where we will take the comparison for the marginal
See,
relief?
this you have to use your little bit of mind. What? You understand ki if the slab rate changes at 50 lakh, 1 crore, 2 crore and 5 crore. Whenever the slab rate will change and your income is near to the slab, then there can be MR. Otherwise, there can't be MR.
Sir.
Use your mind, okay? Just think. If the income is 1 crore 7 lakh, is it near 1 crore or far from 1 crore? Far away.
Near.
No,
Near to 1 crore.
No, you don't understand. What I want to say. See, just give me 1 minute. Dekho, see, the income, the slab rate has changed from 10% to 15%, correct?
Yes, sir.
If you are earning 1 crore, then you have to pay 10% of the tax. If you are earning more than 1 crore, then you have to pay 15%.
15%.
So there is a change of 5% or around 5%, correct?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me one thing, ki if you are earning 1 crore and 7 lakh rupees, is it possible that your tax will be increased by 7 lakh rupees, above 7 lakh rupees? No. Like we
Yes,
proved
sir.
now, we proved in earlier example, there was no MR.
Yes.
Lekin
Yes, sir.
if your income is nearby 1 crore 5 lakh, 1 crore 2 lakh, 1 crore 3 lakh, 1 crore 10,000, 1 crore 20,000, 1 crore 80,000, then you have to think, yaar, this is very near to 1 crore. This is very near to 1 crore. So what can apply? What might apply?
MR.
MR. Is there any standard figure? देखो, there used to be an standard amount. मतलब we teacher used to give a standard amount. कि up to this amount there will be no MR. After that there would be MR. But right now there are 1, 2, 3, 4 slabs. Under new tax regime, 1 slab. Under old tax regime, 3 slabs.
3 slabs.
So we
Yes,
cannot
sir.
give you an amount.
Yes, sir.
Because there are 4 slabs plus there are 4 different slabs for 1, 2, 3, 4 slabs for.
2, 3, 4.
So there will be 16
Slabs.
amount. There will be 16 amount. You will not be able to remember.
Sir. Yes.
So what we say, what we advise you guys, ki just have a gut feeling. कि यार MR will apply or not. If you think you are
Trial
confused,
error method.
trial and error. If you think you are confused,
Yeah.
try it. If you think that
Yeah.
it is very near, there will be definitely MR. If you think it is very far, there will be no MR.
Sir.
If in exam the question comes 1 crore 25 lakh, so do you think that
Sir.
MR would apply in any case?
No, sir.
No, because 25 lakh extra income from 1 crore, there can never be MR. But if your income
Yes,
is
sir.
1 crore 1 lakh 50,000, then you will be
Yes.
like, yaar,
Yes, sir.
there can be MR.
Yes. Yes, sir.
There will be or there will not be, wo to we will calculate and find out.
Yes, sir.
So this is the way that how you will calculate MR. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You understood
Yes.
the meaning of MR very clearly?
Yeah.
Why
Yes, sir,
the
yes.
MR is called marginal relief? Why this concept is called marginal relief only?
Because there's a marginal change and we are paying extra amount for that we are
Exactly. Bilkul correct word. Very, very, very correct words. There are only marginal increase in income, but the tax is increasing more than income.
more. Yes, sir.
And that is a pain point. And this pain point,
Yeah.
this point is given relief. The government has given relief for this pain.
Yes.
And that relief
Yes.
is called marginal relief.
Marginal relief.
So when the marginal relief can apply in this table, when can marginal relief apply? How much? मतलब, you know, how many times MR can apply if the income is slightly greater than 50 lakh?
Yes, sir.
If the income is slightly greater than,
1 crore,
if the income is slightly greater than,
2 crores,
if the income is slightly greater than,
5 crores.
if the income is slightly greater than 5 crore, ये तो हो ही गया, right?
Yeah. Yes.
But in new tax regime, if the income is slightly greater than 5 crore, there will be no MR.
Yes, sir.
Because under new tax regime, ultimately 25% is the slab rate for 5 crore as well,
Yeah.
for more than 5 crore as well.
5 crore. Yes, sir.
So under new tax regime, MR will apply only if the income is near 50 lakh, near 1 crore or near 2 crore. Under old tax regime, the marginal relief can apply if the income is near 50 lakh, near 1 crore, near 2 crore or near 5 crore.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Each and every point?
Yes, sir.
MR understood?
Yes, sir.
So we will
Yes,
not
sir.
do questions of MR right now. There is homework of MR, so you will do it in homework,
Sure.
right? And you
Yeah.
will do it in practice, okay? You will do the practice of MR. Okay?
Sure. Sure.
Perfect. Now we are completing. We are done with the individual taxation. Okay.
Yes.
Just to tell you the exam point of view. From the exam point of view, you will not get HUF, AOP, BUI or artificial juridical person. I have never seen
Sure.
CA inter question for HUF, AOP, BUI, artificial juridical person. So from the exam point of view, you can remember that the tax rate are for individual.
Okay. Okay.
Only for exam point of view, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the first slab rate is for individual normal. The second slab rate,
Yeah.
rate is individual resident plus 60 above. Third
Yes.
slab rate is individual resident and 80 or 80 above, right? And
Yes.
under new tax regime, there is only one slab rate,
Yes, sir.
right? And yeah, that is it. That is it. Surcharge, I have told you, right? I have told you HSE. And we are
Yes.
done. We are also done with this topic. This topic. We are also done with
Yes,
MR.
marginal.
ठीक है? MR
Yes.
के steps you can read once.
Yes, I'll do. Sir, I have a doubt. What does cess mean? The
Cess.
word cess.
Okay. Let me tell you one more thing. Surcharge and cess. So the next question that you should ask is, कि sir, tell me one thing. If you are saying that the higher income people should pay higher tax, so why the government has not changed the slab rate only? Logical question. Sir, up
Yes,
to
sir.
3 lakh 5%, फिर up to 7 lakh for 10%, है ना? Sorry, up to 3 lakh 0, up to 7 lakh 5%, then 10, then 15, then 20, then 30, then 40, then 45, then 55. Why the government
Yes.
is doing this surcharge wala dhong? Because the amount which is collected from the surcharge will only be expended for the specified purpose. The government cannot use that money for the general purpose.
Okay, okay.
And now, sir, why 4% HSE? We can take the extra tax now. Why to add 4% extra? Because the amount which will be collected by 4% of HSE will only be used for health and education.
Yeah.
Understood?
Only for health. Yes, sir.
So just remember that 4% amount that you are calculating now, that is a separate gullak. Okay, whatever
Yes.
the amount you are putting that in gullak now, that will only be expended for the purpose of
Health and education.
in India.
Sir.
That is why that is a separate point. Otherwise, ultimately, tax is tax. For a common
Tax,
person,
yes.
for me, tax is tax. Whether you charge 30% or you charge 34% at one time.
Sir.
But for government, that 4% is a separate amount that can be used only for health and education.
Yes.
That is why their name is HSE. Okay, now calculate the steps to solve marginal relief. Sorry, just say it out. Say it out the steps for marginal
Yeah.
relief.
Steps to solve marginal relief. Step A. Calculate tax plus surcharge on net total income, actual. Step B. Calculate tax plus surcharge on total income without considering incremental income. Step C. Deduct step B from step A. Example, step A minus step B.
That is.
Step D.
It is
Write
called
down.
that is.
Yes.
So there is a difference
Yes.
between example and that is. This is example, and this is
Yes.
that is.
That is, yes. Step D. Write down additional income over and above nearest surcharge slab. Step E. Marginal relief is equal to step C minus step D. Step F. Deduct MR from step A. Step G. Add health and education cess at 4%.
These are the steps that we did, right? This is one
Yes,
of the
sir.
examples. This is example under old tax regime. Okay, this is one of the
Sure.
examples.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir.
perfect. Okay, now we need to learn the tax rate for other persons. Okay, I'm not going to solve any question for other persons, right? Just we need to remember in exams
Yes, sir.
there are very little chance that the tax rate for other persons will be asked. As you told me, ki
Yes.
sir, if everyone is covered under slab rate, only 3 or 4 people are not covered. From
Yes. Firm, company, and firm, company, local authority.
local authority. So we are going to study for firm and cooperative society as well. 4 people. So
Yes,
we
sir.
are going to study for firm, for local authority, for cooperative society, and for company.
Company, yeah.
And under company, there are two companies.
Yes.
One is domestic and one is foreign.
Foreign.
And then the chapter will complete. Okay. So now for firm or LLP, limited liability partnership, the rate is very simple. It is
30%.
flat 30%.
Flat 30%. Yes, sir.
Flat 30%. No slab rate.
Yes. Sir.
Nothing. And this tax rate is flat 30%. I know that you will learn. That is not a big thing. ठीक है, बिल्कुल you can learn very well, but this will create problem in exams because in exam it will be written X, Y, Z firm
Sir.
and complete question will come. You will
Sure.
calculate the total income as it is, that would be correct, but in exam you will have so much to remember that you will forget कि the assessee is company, a firm, not a individual.
Yes.
So in exam we often make a mistake कि instead of applying the tax rate for firm we apply the tax rate for individual.
Individual. Yes.
So you have to remember that for the exam purpose you just need to be very you need to read the question very carefully.
Sir.
Be mindful, nothing else. Okay.
Yes.
So flat
Yes.
rate 30%. What are the surcharge rate? Up to 1 crore का income
No, nothing.
Up to above 1 crore,
12%.
will there be MR?
No.
सोचो MR होगा.
Yeah, there might be.
Definitely sir, there will be, because if 1 crore के ऊपर there is no surcharge.
Yes. Yes.
Above 1 crore there is 12% on tax.
Yes, sir.
So there has to be some relief na.
Yes. Yes, sir.
If firm is
Before
earning
1 lakh would.
exactly, if firm is earning exactly 1 crore, there would be,
No surcharge.
if the firm is earning 1 crore and 1 lakh,
It is paying surcharge, so there should be marginal relief.
there has to be marginal relief. So in short,
Yes.
wherever the slab rate is changing now for MR, there
Sir.
sorry, for surcharge, there will definitely be MR.
MR.
When the slab rate is changing, MR has to be there. It is not possible that MR won't be there.
Yes, sir.
Will it depend on residential status, whether you are resident or non-resident?
No, sir.
No,
Nothing.
nothing. Because if there is one non-resident, we cannot do injustice, na?
Yes,
See,
yes, yes, sir.
marginal relief is just to justify. Because
Yes.
we can't say कि I am a non-resident, you are a resident. If you are earning 50 lakh rupees, 50 lakh 50,000, you will get MR. If I am earning
Yes, sir.
50 lakh 50,000, if I will not get MR, I will say कि यार मैंने क्या गलत किया? What did I do wrong?
Sir.
Because this is my right, this is my adhikar. So MR is available
Sir.
to each and everyone, whether resident, non-resident, whether company, whether HUF, whether AOP, whether individual, anyone. And
Sir.
at last we will add 4%.
HEC.
ठीक है? I am not investing much time
Yes.
here because we need to complete
Yes,
the
sir.
syllabus on time, plus these are not important points. Local
Okay.
authority. Local authority flat,
30%. Same.
sir, same
So,
as
local
firm.
authority.
बिल्कुल same as.
Yes. Firm.
Sir, for surcharge rate up to 1 crore,
Nil.
above 1 crore,
12%.
will MR apply?
Yes.
For cooperative society, this will never be asked in exam. कभी exam में नहीं पूछा गया है, and it will never be asked in the exam. For the cooperative society, the slab rate is really very bad. Really very bad. What is the slab rate? First 10,000 rupees.
10,000. Okay.
First 10,000 rupees, 10%. यानी कि 1,000. For next
Sir.
10,000, 20%. यानी कि 2,000. And above
Yes, sir.
20,000, 30%.
6,000.
मतलब नहीं, why you are saying 6,000? Above 20 का मतलब it can be any amount ना?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Above 20 means it can be any amount.
Yes, yes, yes.
Do you think this is very bad? मतलब really, is it needed? 10,000, 10%, another 10,000, 20%. Is it really needed? What is the amount of benefit that the government is giving? Hardly 2-3,000.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I think it should be flat 30% only.
Sir.
And trust me, I have cooperative client, I have cooperative societies as my client. I never say कि you have slab rate. I always say you have flat 30.
Okay.
Why will I confuse the client?
Yes, sir.
What I will say to the client कि your first 10,000 का income, there will be 10% tax. For your next 10,000,
Yes.
client will say अरे यार, we are talking in lakh, you are stuck at 10,000. So
Sir.
practically we just say 30,000, but yeah, theoretically the slab rate is 10, 10 and then above 20.
20.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
10, 20 and 30. You need not to remember
Yes.
as such. Just remember ki sir told me something funny, right? There is something funny in this slab rate. It will never come in exam.
Sir.
Now for surcharge, up to 1 crore,
Nil.
1 crore to 10 crore,
7%.
above 10 crore,
12%. Sir, which cooperative society will earn 10 crores, sir?
नहीं, why not यार? Cooperative societies are very rich. Amul is a cooperative society, if you remember. Amul, you know Amul, na?
Yes, sir.
Amul is a cooperative society only.
Yeah, okay.
Amul is the
It's not a
largest.
company.
No, it's not a company. Amul has
Okay.
never converted itself into company. The Amul is running as cooperative society only.
Okay.
This is a very big, research project as well. MBA students study Amul Dairy. So they study ki
Okay.
that Amul Dairy has still cooperative society members running that Amul Dairy. There is no director, there is no shareholder. You will never
Yes,
see
sir.
Amul company ka share.
Sir.
You Google it today ki what is the share price of Amul. There are no shares.
Okay.
So there are cooperative society in India which are running in crores. Okay?
Yes.
Perfect. And lastly, we will add
HEC.
HEC of 4%. HEC of 4% is common everywhere. We have to add
Everywhere,
it. Right?
yeah.
Now, there are special tax rate for cooperative societies. This special tax rate came in order to avoid the deductions.
Sir.
कौन से deductions? These are the list of deductions which will not be available to the cooperative society if cooperative society opt for special tax rate.
Yes, sir.
Like in individual, there was a old tax regime and new tax regime. In similar way, there are two tax rate: normal and special.
Sir.
If you opt for normal tax rate, then this will be the tax rate, and you will get the deductions.
Yeah.
And if you opt for special tax rate, then you will not get the deductions. Now, what are the special tax rate? This is further divided into two parts. If you are a resident plus manufacturing,
Sir.
what two condition?
Resident as well as manufacturing.
If you are resident and manufacturing, means you are a resident and manufacturing something. Like Amul.
Sir.
Amul is manufacturing milk. Milk is also produced, है ना? मतलब they get the milk from the dairy farms and then they mix something and then they make curd and ghee, makhan and everything. So
Yes.
they are manufacturing. If you are resident plus manufacturing, then you can opt for
15%.
flat 15. So
Yes.
do you think that this is such a small amount, yaar? 15% is a small amount.
Yes.
Because for individual, highest was,
30%.
and for society, the highest is.
15%.
So don't you think that society is benefited with the tax rate?
Yes, sir.
When the BJP came into power in 2014, and when the BJP came for the second time in power, then the BJP cut down the tax rate for the companies, cooperative societies drastically
Okay.
to promote them.
Okay.
Because individual is earning, but these people are hiring individual to earn.
Sir.
Are you getting my point? Sir,
Yes,
as an
yes.
individual, you are earning income. You are not giving
Yes,
away
sir.
your income.
Yes, sir.
But these people are hiring individual and then earning income.
Sir.
So these people are very important for economic development, and that is true.
Sir.
These
Yes,
people
yes,
are very important for economic development. Agar if the government will take more taxes from them now, so they will left with little money, and if they will left with little money, they will invest less. If they will invest less,
Yes.
then the employment will be reduced.
Yes.
So
yes.
government has
Absolutely.
reduced the tax rate. So I wonder,
Yes.
पता है, I wonder many times that I as an individual have to pay 30% slab rate, and these companies
Sir.
which are big players, they have
Sir.
to only pay
Yes. 15%.
15%. So sir, 15% you have to remember. What is the condition? Condition is that the factory should be set up and registered on or after 1st April 23rd and commences manufacturing on or before 31st March 2024.
Sir.
Means only 1 year. Arey sir, in
Yes.
short,
This was introduced in new finance act.
This was introduced in 2023 only for 1 year.
Okay. Sir.
So all those cooperative societies, manufacturing cooperative societies, which were registered between this year,
Sir.
they can avail the benefit of 15% for their lifetime.
Yes.
You will be surprised to know that there are few provisions in income tax like this. These come only to benefit certain persons.
Okay. Okay.
Just
I
think,
think.
just think you have a very good political power,
Sir.
and you want to establish one cooperative society, and
Sir.
you want your tax rate to be lower.
Yes. 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 Sir.
This provision came only for 23-24.
Benefiting those people. Yes. Sir.
So I don't know, you don't know, nobody knows, but might be this
Yes.
section came for to benefit certain cooperative society which were registered during this year.
Sir.
Are you getting my point? Ki how these people influence the
Yes, sir.
political parties? Because ultimately
Yes,
this
sir.
provision is in the hands of BJP only, na? Who else will
Yes.
amend
Yes.
this?
Yes. Yes.
So every cooperative
Yes, sir.
society which was registered during 23-24 will get lifetime benefit of
15%.
15%. Is that okay?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
if you are a resident but not a manufacturing, you are a resident
Okay.
but not a manufacturing. Maybe you are
Yeah.
service provider, maybe you are trader,
Yeah.
right? Then you can opt for
22%.
flat 22. Is there any condition? No condition.
Mm. Yeah.
No condition. You can opt for 22. But if you opt for these two provisions now, then the surcharge rate will be flat 10% starting from zero income.
Okay.
There will be no ceiling limit. There is
Sir.
no slab rate. Slab rate is not there.
Yes.
Yani ki if your
Yes.
income is 10,000 and you opt for 22%, then 10,000 into 22% plus
Sir. Yes. HEC.
plus HSE plus 4%. Right?
Yes, sir.
So will there be any MR?
No.
No. When the surcharge is charged from base, from 1 rupee income,
Yes.
and there
Yes,
is no
yes,
change, so there cannot be.
Yes. There's no possibility of difference.
Ha, correct. There is no difference in slab, na. When there is no difference,
Yeah,
there
yes.
cannot be MR.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. And last में HSE. Okay. Now there are some deductions which you will not be allowed. We are not going to read it. It will be wastage of time. You will not understand right now. And in exams as well, it
Yeah.
will not come. But you just need to remember that if the government is giving benefit of 22% now, so definitely it is going to take something away from you.
Yes.
Otherwise, this slab rate will become irrelevant.
Yes. Sir.
Because there will be no, no insane person who will pay 30% instead of 22%.
Yes, sir.
Correct? Right.
Yes.
Now, domestic company. Tax rate for
Sir.
domestic company.
Domestic company.
In lecture number 2, I told you that the companies are majorly classified into two, domestic and foreign.
Foreign.
And I
Yes.
told you that we are studying this because there is a difference in why we are studying domestic and foreign separately. मतलब why we need to classify the company?
Because we are benefiting India.
Correct.
Indian companies. Over
So can we say that because the tax rate for the domestic company is lower, that is why?
Yes. Sir.
Basically, we are classifying the company so that we can have different tax rate.
Yes.
Right? So now today we are going
Yes,
to
sir.
study about that different tax rate. Okay?
Yeah.
See, if you are a company, you again have two tax rate, normal or special.
Special.
Special tax rate is similar to cooperative society, very similar to
Sir,
cooperative society. Sir, if the domestic company is
manufacturing,
manufacturing, it
it
will
has
be
15% flat.
15%. ऊपर भी कितना था? If the cooperative society is manufacturing,
15%.
if the domestic company is not manufacturing other,
Service or something, it is 22%.
and also for cooperative society it was
Yes, 22%.
22%. Cooperative society, for which year the benefit was given?
Only 23, 24.
Acha, does it mean that only for 23-24 the income tax will be 15%, or it means that if you are registered in 23-24 the lifetime income tax will be 15%?
Lifetime, in that year, if it was registered, lifetime would be 15%.
Correct. Now for domestic company, that is 19 to 24.
Oh, why?
Just remember BJP का second term.
Okay.
Just remember this way. BJP came into power in 2014, then 2019, and then 2024. So remember that when the BJP came into power in 2019, it started from there and it lasted till 24.
Yes, sir.
This is just a way to remember, okay? Yani ki the first year will be 1920, then 2021, then 21-22, then 22-23, and then 23-24. These are the 5 years. These are the 5 years for which the benefit was given to the domestic company. Sir,
so if a company is listed on this date, it is not possible for 15%.
It can opt for 15% and that will go for lifetime.
Now also we can opt for 15%.
No. Now if you were registered in this year, you can opt.
No, I asked today. Today, if we register a company, we can't.
We can't. We either go for these rate or we go for 22.
22.
We have only 2 options. So, sir, how it is like 19 to 24? See, first time amendment came in 2019, right? Amendment came in 2019 for 1 year.
Sure.
Then, when the next Finance Act came, it was extended for further 1 year. Then the next Financial Act came, it was further extended to 1 year. Then the next financial year came, it was further extended to 1 year. And now in this Financial Act, Finance Act 2024, it was not extended. That is why it has stopped on, कब stop हो गया है? 24. In this act, it was not amended. Is that okay?
Sir.
If you opt for a special tax rate, either it is 15 or 20, then the surcharge rate will be
10%.
Flat.
Yes.
Right? And the HSC will be
4%.
4%. Right? Now, these are the list of exemptions. These are the list of exemptions. Okay? One second.
Sir.
And these are the exemptions which will not be available. Okay? Now, the next is other than foreign company. Other than domestic company means
Foreign company.
in foreign company the flat rate is
35%.
Why there is a star? Because under earlier act it was 40%. It has been changed to
35%.
So there is a star because it was amended. Although you need not to study it likewise, but why I have given a star? Because amendments become important. So in exam it might be asked. Therefore I have given a star. Okay.
Sir.
Okay. And what is the surcharge rate? Up to 1 crore? Nil. 1 crore to 10 crore?
2%.
And above 10 crore?
5%.
Why such a lower surcharge rate? Why
Maybe
such
the
a
taxable amount is much higher.
Exactly. So tax rate is 35. So we cannot expect कि
Yeah.
tax rate is also higher, surcharge is also higher.
Yeah.
The company will go away. बोलते हैं I don't want to
Yes.
do work in India यार.
Yes.
India taking 35% of income, also charging 10%, 12% surcharge. I am going away. So that is why the
Yes,
surcharge
sir.
rate is little lower.
Yes.
And last is HSE. ठीक है?
Yes.
I will give you homework questions for practice, right? But
Sure.
having said that, the most important thing that you need to have a hands-on is individual का tax rate, and also
Sure.
this. अच्छा, one thing that I forgot. अरे one thing, domestic company is not completed yet यार. हाँ, domestic company normal tax rate we have not studied.
Yes, sir.
Normal tax rate for domestic company. What is domestic company का normal tax rate? See. Okay. This discussion will take another 5-10 minutes and it will be very interesting discussion. There is one person Mr. X. There is one person Mr. Y. There is one company XYZ Limited and there is one company ABC Limited. Right? Now tell me one thing. How will you decide कि which person is poor and which person is rich? How will you decide?
Based on their capital, authorized capital, their turnover, their business.
See, turnover can be a deceptive figure because turnover does not mean you are earning more.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, yes.
A chartered accountant turnover does not exceed much, but that is earning
Yeah.
a lot.
Yeah.
See, my father is a businessman. Suppose he has a 2 crore rupees turnover. He might be earning 20 lakh rupees.
Yes, sir.
But if I have 2 crore rupee turnover, I am earning 2 crore rupees.
Yes.
So
Yes,
turnover
sir.
is not the base for
Sir.
for individual.
Yes, yes, yes.
What is
sir.
the right base to decide whether that person is a wealthy person or a poor person?
His income.
Income.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yes.
Correct. Sir, we can decide based on their,
Total income.
and based on their total income, what we have?
Slab rates. Yes.
Slab rates. Because ultimately if poor hai तो they have to pay less tax, if rich hai they have to pay higher
Yes.
tax.
Yes.
For a company, can we decide whether the company is a small company or big company based on their profit?
Yes, yes, sir.
No, never. Have you heard the name of Amazon? Amazon, Flipkart?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Do you think these are small companies or large companies?
Large companies.
Do you think they are in profit? They are
not
incurring
in
loss.
profit.
No, they are not in profit.
Okay.
They are incurring losses, but their turnover is so much that they can pay salaries, they can pay, every expenditure because the turnover is very high.
Sir.
For a company, the right base is not profit. Jio SIM ले लो यार आप. Take the example of Jio.
Yeah.
Okay, when the Jio was launched, it was in losses for 5-6 years.
Okay.
Do you think
Yes,
Jio
sir.
company is small?
No.
No. So for a company, what is the right base to decide whether the company is a big company or the small company? The right base is turnover.
Sir.
Have you understood the difference?
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
What I wanted to tell you is कि if we see an individual, we always see his total income. But when we see
Yes.
the company, we do not see the total income. We see the
Turnover.
turnover. When you will become chartered accountant you will know this difference practically whenever you will go in some मान लो function, right? So what the people will ask कि how much do you earn?
Yes.
But suppose you are owner of a company
Sir.
and when you will go in a meeting that the other person will not ask how much amount you earn. It will ask how much is your turnover.
Yes, 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 sir.
मतलब suppose you have a business meeting with other company.
Yes, sir.
The company will never ask कि how much amount do you earn. That company
Sir.
will ask how much turnover do you make.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
So can we say कि the company's turnover will decide whether that company is a small company or large company?
Yes,
That is why the government has created the slab rate based on their turnover.
sir.
If the turnover is lesser than or equal to 4 crore, then the tax rate will be,
25%.
if the turnover is other case, then the,
30%.
understood?
Yes, yes, sir.
Sir, कहने का मतलब this is also a slab only.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes. I
But
understood.
this slab is not based on the total income, this is based on the,
Turnover.
because for the company, the right base to decide whether the company is a big company or a small company is the turnover.
Turnover. Yes, sir.
Now my next question is, which previous year we are talking about? Currently, which previous year we are talking about?
22, 23.
नहीं, I want to ask
No,
currently.
no. Abhi,
हाँ, मतलब
yeah.
which previous
20,
year we
24.
are talking about? Yeah.
24, 25.
So why we are taking the turnover for 22-23? Sir, देखो, see, turnover for 22-23 is less than or equal to 400 crore, then 25%, otherwise 30%.
Yes.
Why we are taking 22-23? Logic है. There is logic. See, 24-25 is yet to come.
Yes.
देखो,
So,
if you are
it's
standing on 1st of April 24,
sir.
do you know whether your turnover will exceed 400 crore or not?
No.
You can't know. Suppose this is a calendar and you are standing at 1st April.
Yes, sir.
Now your question is, I know your question is कि sir कोई बात नहीं, once the year will end I will know.
Yes, 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 sir.
But your tax percentage will decide your product price.
Yes.
If my tax percentage is 25%, I can sell this mobile at a lower price. But
Sure.
if my tax percentage will be 30%, I will charge a little more amount to the customer.
Sir.
So can we say that on 1st of April you have to know the tax rate, otherwise how will you decide the price?
Sir.
Take one example. This calculator is
I
made of
understood,
plastic. है ना? This calculator
Yes.
is made of
Yes.
plastic, and if I say I will not tell you the rate of plastic, how can you sell?
Yeah.
How can you sell it?
Yes, sir.
Similarly,
You can't do the costing.
you can't do the costing, right? So you have to know on 1st of April. You have to know on
Yes.
1st of April, right? Just 5
Yes,
more
sir.
minutes, है ना? You have to know the costing on 1st of April in order to decide whether you are, whether your tax rate will be 25 or 30.
Yes,
So
sir.
your next question is कि sir, why not to take turnover for?
Yes, sir.
Yes, we can take the turnover for 23-24. No, because the accounts for 23-24 will be finalized in July, August, September.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, can you
So,
believe that 31st March ko accounts will be finalized?
No, 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 sir. No.
So we have to take.
Okay. So for previous year 22-23, we'll file in 24-25.
No, I am not talking about the return here. I am talking about
Yeah.
the base year. Which year to
Yeah.
take base to decide the rate for current year?
22-23.
Sir, we are deciding the rate for 24-25 only. Don't confuse.
Yes.
Don't confuse
Yes,
yourself.
yes.
We are deciding the tax rate for,
24-25 only.
but taking the base.
22-23.
Understood?
What if the tax rate is 30% in 23-24? Then also we'll consider 22-23.
Exactly. So if, let me give you an example. If turnover in previous year 22-23 is 390 crore and turnover in previous year 24-25 is 3000 crore, then also the tax rate would be
25%.
Because for the purpose of current year tax rate, we are taking the turnover base for
Yes, previous year.
not previous year, previous than previous, matlab 22 23,
Yeah. Yes, 20. Yeah.
two
Yes, sir.
2 year before.
Yes, sir. 2 years before. Yes.
So what will be the tax amount?
Uh, 97.5.
How did you calculate?
90.
See, you are confusing one point.
390.
You are again confusing one point. This 390 is only to decide the tax rate, nothing to do with the tax.
Okay, sir.
This 390 is just to decide the tax rate.
Okay, yes, sir. So generally, if we are in 25, 26, we will take 23, 24 as a tax. For the tax rate, we'll consider 20.
Correct. Only to calculate whether I have to pay 25 or 30.
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes.
calculate the tax for 24-25.
750, sir.
Wrong. You did not ask me the profit only.
Yes, yes, sir.
Can you believe you have calculated the tax on the turnover? Company will shut down in one day.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We cannot calculate the tax on turnover. We have to know the
Yes, sir. Profit.
profit is 400 crore. Then now you will
100 crore.
into 25. 400 crore into 25%.
100 crores.
Yes. Understood how to calculate the profit and everything?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is very confusing. Because in individual tax rate now, we took the income as base. We calculated
Yes.
the tax on that income. But under domestic
sir.
company, we are taking the turnover for 22-23 as base, then
Yes.
deciding the tax rate, and then applying that tax rate on current year profit.
Yes, understood. I understood.
Understood now? One more example. Suppose previous year 22-23 you have 410 crore ka turnover. During
Sir.
previous year 24-25 you have 390 crore ka turnover. You have total income of 50 crore. What will be the tax rate
Sir.
and tax amount?
Tax rate would be 25%.
How did you calculate?
I did not. I mean, I'm assuming for 22-23 it would be 25%.
Why are you
I
assuming
mean,
for?
we are.
No, are we in 22-23 or we are in 24-25?
Sir, sorry, that's 410. No, sorry. 30%. 30%.
Exactly.
Yes,
Sir, it does not matter. The current year turnover does not matter.
yes.
Sir,
yes.
because it is 410, then the tax rate would be
30%.
for which year?
50 crore. 24-25.
Because the tax rate is 25%. Sorry, the turnover is more than 400 crore. That is why the tax rate for the current year would be 30%.
30%. Yes, sir.
Even if the current year turnover is only 10 crore, does not
Yes,
matter.
sir. Yes.
Does not matter. Now, do you understand why 22-23 only, not 23-24?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Now read this.
Normal tax turnover for previous year 22-23 less than or equal to 400 crores, 25%, other case 30%.
25% on
total income from a previous year 24-25.
Sir, this 25% is not for this year.
Yes, sir.
This is for current previous year.
Current year. Yes, sir.
Surcharge rate you have to remember.
Yeah, 1 crore nil, up to 1 to 10, 7%, more than 10, 12%. HEC 4%.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
मैंने क्या किया था मेरे टाइम पे, आई यूज टू रोट इट अप, मतलब ऐसे याद करने के लिए. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि दिस इज 7 और 12. सो व्हाट इज 7 - 12? 7 - 12 इज 5. ओके.
5, yes, sir.
सो दिस इज हाईएस्ट 5.
Okay.
जस्ट टू रिमेंबर, है ना.
Yes, sir.
सो इन केस ऑफ डोमेस्टिक कंपनी, it is 7 and 12. In case
Yes,
of
sir.
foreign company, it is 2 and 5.
5, yes,
So
sir.
how to remember this? So I used to give this trick. I used to use this trick कि just remember 7. 7 is my lucky number. So 7, है ना. I just remember 7. So 7 and then the difference should be equal to this amount. तो 5, है ना. This
Yes,
is
sir.
12. We take 2. This is 2. मतलब just to remember,
Oh,
so that you
yes,
can
yes,
avoid
yes.
the confusion.
Matching, yeah.
हाँ,
Yes,
you
sir.
can avoid the confusion in exam, okay? Because there are different slab rate ना for individual 10, 15, 25, 37, right?
Yes, sir.
For
Yes,
partnership firm 12%, for local authority 12%, right?
Perfect. Yes.
For company
Yes, sir.
7 and 12%, for
Yes, sir.
other than domestic company 2 and 5%.
5. Yes,
So
sir.
you have to remember these slabs, okay? Now I will not
Sir.
take much time. Little a small topic is left. We will cover it in tomorrow's class. So today's
Sure.
homework, okay?
Yes, yes.
Today's homework is, where is the homework PDF here? Acha, I have not imported the homework PDF na. Let me import the homework PDF.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So for homework you will complete the remaining, मतलब your homework is complete one question. ठीक है. Complete
Yeah.
2 question. Question number 2.
Sir.
Complete question
Yes,
number
sir.
3. Complete question
Sir.
number 4. Okay. And
Sir.
complete, yeah, complete question number 5, because that is marginal
Sir.
relief. Complete question number
Yes, sir.
6. So up to question
Yes,
number
sir.
6 is your homework. For marginal relief, try to do maximum question in writing, proper writing, because
Yes,
this
sir.
is one
Yes.
time mehnat that you have to do. After that you will never
Yeah.
have to write it again.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Age also matters. Age matters where old tax regime.
Yes, yes, sir.
In new tax regime, age does not matter.
It doesn't matter. Yeah, yes,
ठीक है.
sir.
So yeah, that's it. The only one remaining topic is rebate, है ना. We will cover in next
Yeah.
class. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Any doubt?
Bye, sir. Nothing, sir. That's all.
Okay. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. या जो भी बच्चे रिकॉर्डिंग देख रहे हैं, हाय हेलो एवरीवन, द स्टूडेंट्स हु आर वाचिंग द रिकॉर्डिंग, आई होप यू लव्ड दिस लेक्चर. आई होप कि you understood each and every point as described in the lecture. If you like the lecture, hit the like button and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join our WhatsApp channel, link is in the description. If you want to enroll for the complete batch, the link is in the description. You can also visit www.HakkSeCA.com, or you can WhatsApp me on the given number which is under your screen, 7838925588. And thank you very much for loving these lectures, for referring these lectures. Do share with your friends and let them know that CA Akash Bansal sir has launched the complete batch in English medium for my dear South Indian students. Thank you very much for watching the lectures. Take care. Bye bye. Sabah khair. See you in the next lecture.